In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most dreaded questions that solar sales guys face. I'll have to think about it. मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. Now, you can face this question in very different manners. I'll have to ask my family, बीवी से पूछना है, बच्चों से बात करनी पड़ेगी. हाँ देखते हैं, अगले हफ्ते बात कर लो. These are the different forms of the same question. They're the same thing. Now, whenever you get this kind of a question or this kind of resistance from any of your clients or customers, जबकि आप सब कुछ सही कर चुके हैं, you've given them the proposal, you have done the site visit and everything is done, and now the thing comes in कि मुझे तो सोचना पड़ेगा, देखते हैं क्या होता है, अभी हम सोच रहे हैं. So that at that time you are required to ask your customer two questions. Rather give him two options. Be polite but be firm on this. Whenever somebody tells me कि मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा, I'll have to think about it, there are one of two reasons. Number one, you are not interested in it. Or number two, you are interested but there is something missing that you have not understood. So most of the times what will happen is that your customer will tell you, no, Amit, I'm interested in it, but there is something missing. In one of my previous videos, I did mention humans are the most pathetic breed of decision makers. We hate to make decisions. Unless and until we are given cues, decisions are not made. So, जो ही आपका customer आपको कहता है कि I am interested but I have not understood, then you take the conversation further. Take the decision making into your own hands and give them these three options. Sir, if you are interested and you have not understood something, there can be one of three reasons. Number one is that you think that solar is not for you. Okay. Number two is that the functionality is not there. आपको लगता है कि सोलर से आपको बहुत ज्यादा फायदा नहीं होगा. ठीक है. नंबर थ्री, फाइनेंस की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. ठीक है. सो पहली बात बताइए सर, क्या सोलर आपके लिए है? क्या आपको लगता है कि सोलर आपको लगाना चाहिए? यूजुअली द आंसर इज यस. एंड व्हाट इफ द आंसर इज नो? If answer is no, the deal is closed. They will never buy. The person is off your list. They save you time. And I love such customers जो कहते हैं हाँ यार ये हमारे लिए नहीं है. Okay. Now number two, functionality. This is something wherein the customer has an option of kind of coming forth and telling you कि भैया मुझे ये चीज समझ नहीं आई. So this is something completely on you. As a sales guy, this is completely you missed out on something, or we as sales guys have missed out on explaining the customer something which is technical, commercial, or addressing some doubt which is lingering at the back of their mind. So if the customer says, this is something I did not understand, now you know what the hindrance is. So you address that. किसी को नेट मीटिंग समझ नहीं आती है, किसी को फाइनेंशियल आरओआई समझ नहीं आता है, और बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, लोग कंफ्यूज्ड होते हैं. सो हेल्प देम अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ नंबर थ्री, please understand, this is one of the most embarrassing and crucial questions that people don't like to answer. Nobody likes to admit that they have a money problem. Nobody, चाहे कितना भी बड़ा या कितना भी छोटा हो, उसको पसंद नहीं आता बताना कि मनी प्रॉब्लम है. So when you say, sir, is this a financial issue? And usually when you ask this question, जब आप ये सवाल पूछते हैं, तो people will answer, yes, it's kind of out of our budget range, या हमने नहीं सोचा था इतना होगा. So then in that case, offer them options, EMI options, or whatever options you have, segregated payment, a lower downsell product, or something that is very easy. Personal loan these days are between 9% to 12%, and people paying a bill of about 4,000-5,000 can get an EMI of 6,000-7,000, which is affordable to them. Somebody paying an electricity bill of about 15,000 to 20,000, paying an EMI of 15,000 to 20,000 for them is not a big deal at all. So address that issue. Unless and until that issue is addressed and the decision-making power comes into your hand, you will not be able to close more deals. There was a survey, I'll just leave you with this fact. There was a survey that about 96% or 94% of the companies that get leads are able to convert only about 2.8% of their leads. The reason is simple. मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. I hope you like this video, and if there is something that you want to ask me, give me a call or write it in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to answer questions for you. I have learned this on the job in the last 18 years of my experience, and I've started sharing this recently. If you have comments or if you have suggestions, they are more than welcome. You guys have a wonderful evening. Take care, and see you next time. Cheers. Bye-bye.